Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage water hardness settings in GORENJE Dishwasher GS. So this settings is for adjusting the water softener. To manage this function, hold the delay button and program button together. Now we are in the settings mode. To manage the water hardness, go to the Section 4. To manage it, click on the program button, and 400 means the water softener is deactivated. From 1 to 9 you have a next levels of the water hardness. So just manage this function and click on the self-cleaning program a few times to go out from the settings menu and apply the settings. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.